Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, do the Battlegrounds Mobile Bootcamp FPS drop test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device after the recent software update. Yes friends, just recently the OnePlus Nord 2 did receive another software update, and after this update I'm trying to do plenty of tests on this phone. So make sure to stay tuned for the next couple of days. I'll try to update you on the battery draining and on the camera details and on the temperature issues as well. I'll try to cover all these topics individually, but you need to just give me some time, maybe 2 days of usage of this new update. Only then we can actually come into the conclusion. So now let's see how is the Battlegrounds mobile game is performing in the OnePlus Nord 2 device after the recent update. So I'll try to mainly focus only on the bootcamp drop test, so which has been recommended by most of my subscribers, asking me to do only the bootcamp. So that is what my main focus will be there for this video. So I'm trying to use a real-time FPS meter which is present inbuilt in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. That's really very good from the OnePlus team. I did not expect to have this kind of floating FPS meter. That's fantastic friends. And I'm trying to use the smooth and extreme settings completely, as you can see exactly here. So which is what is right now available obviously in the OnePlus Nord 2. We don't get any kind of 90 FPS at this point. So maybe in the next Battlegrounds Mobile 1.6 we might get the update. So still then we need to be with this kind of 60 FPS only. Meanwhile, in case if you want to use 90 FPS, there is a way that, yes, there is a way, always there is a way for this kind of problems. So make sure to watch the video which I uploaded friends, I think just yesterday or a couple of days back. As you can, there is a video 90 FPS step-by-step tutorial. I did explain clearly A to Z. You can watch this video and you'll get all the doubts will be completely solved after watching the video overall. Let's see friends how much the FPS will be dropped at this point. I'm not sure whether we'll be dropping exactly in the bootcamp, but still I'm doing my best. So my teammates, let's see whether they'll be dropping in the bootcamp or they decide to go somewhere else. I think not here. So let me try to unfollow them and come back, and again I'll try to start the bootcamp test only. Let's see friends, this time what will happen with the bootcamp exactly drop test. So this is going to be really interesting, and this is my first time doing this kind of bootcamp drop test after the recent software update. So right now we are getting about, I think, 56, 59 FPS. Let's see. And even I did try to do the 90 FPS bootcamp drop test as well using the config file. So make sure to check those videos in case if you're interested. So right now I'm getting 58, 59. Let's see the lowest one. So in this video I'll try to mainly focus only on the drop test, only on the FPS meter, not gaming. So only on the FPS. I'll try to do the multiple times, just maybe 3 to 4 times, just to demonstrate what is happening in this kind of scenario after the recent software update. So 59, it dropped out to 59, not bad. So only 59 was the lowest so far I did see here. 58, let's see what happens after dropping down. 60, not bad. As you can see from 60 and 59, it was able to maintain 60 and 59. As you can see, during this process of demonstration, nothing much, no complaints. At this moment, this is my first drop test in the bootcamp. Let me try to go back and exit. Let me try to do the second drop test. So let's see when second time what happens right now, the FPS drop test in the bootcamp. So this is going to be really interesting to see the results. So first time it was really good experience. So nothing major, we did see the drops, anything. So let's see this time how much drops we can actually observe in this phone in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below friends. What are the other things you want me to test on this OnePlus Nord 2? It went up to, it dropped out to 57. I did see the 57 as well. 57, 59. As you can see from 57 and 58. So the lowest this time I did see, I think close to 57 only. 57 during the process of demonstration, as you can clearly see friends. So 58, it was continuously stable, not bad. So after the drop I'm trying to show you a couple of minutes only, not complete gameplay overall. Not bad. So it was maintaining around 60 consistently, as you can see friends. No, not much issues. So let's do the third drop test. So let's see friends what happens with the third time FPS drop test, how much we can actually expect in the boot camp exactly. Right now we are seeing about 659, 58. So I'm doing my best to drop exactly in that boot camp area only. Let's see, 60. So the lowest we did see only 57 during this process of demonstration. 57 is the lowest one. Not bad, as you can see, 59. 57. So this is a quick review, friends, on the OnePlus Nord device. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do my best to post the video as soon as possible for you all. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you want me to do any other gameplay reviews, let me know in the comment section below what games you want me to try. So definitely I'll be able to try those kind of games in my mobile phone as soon as possible. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.